Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm called Rashida. If you're seeing me for the first time, you are so welcome on my channel. So in today's video, I'm here to share with you the apartments which are for rent. Yeah, guys, the apartments are located in Nakwero. And those people who know Nakwero, we have a beautiful estate called Canaan Estate. So these apartments are located in Canaan Estate and they are for rent. So if you stay around Gayaza, Nakwero, Chijabijo, Kasangati, and you'd love to rent, I'm going to leave the number of the landlord here. City broker, just landlord, viewer wange, yala video yange, nanga mazje nkwata apartments ze. So guys, I'm here to show you how this apartment look like. They are for rent in case you're interested. So I'll leave the number of the landlord here. You can call him. So guys, without talking that much, let me show you how the apartment look like. The place is really cute and the apartments are so beautiful. So join me as we tour this apartment here in Nakwero on Gayaza Road. So enjoy the video. So guys, this is the surrounding here. It's such a developing estate. This is Canaan Estate. We have Canaan Estate, the first Canaan Estate over there, and this is the second Canaan Estate. A lot of development here. You see guys, yeah, the area is really developing. Okay, so this is the neighborhood where the apartments are, friends, or the gate or the compound of the apartment. Okay, so let us enter and we see what we have. So here I'm standing at the gate. Yeah, this is what we have. Security wise, I think that's a dog house. And these are the outside toilet. Before we enter, I want to show you the environment, how it looks like. The outside toilets, yeah. This is the behind of the house, okay, of the apartments, yeah, the rental, okay. Then this is the front. We have two houses which are for rent here. Yeah, guys, the place is so quiet. It's a clean place, a very clean place. We have green over there. I'm a person who loves plants. So when that be so kunkuba. Okay, so this is the environment. Yeah, this is what we have. Here we have one house there, then the other one over there. But we first go check out the first one, then we shall come back and check out this second one. Okay, so let's go. So over here, this is what we have. This is the balcony or the porch, and that's the entrance. Okay, so let us enter and we see what we have in here. Okay, so guys, here I'm standing at the entrance as I've shown you. That's the entrance of the house, guys. I think even the phone is not giving justice to this room or to these houses. Trust me, they are really cute. So this is the sitting room. Yeah, this is the sitting room. We have a light there, then another one there. Yeah. Then, according to the landlord, he told me we have Wi-Fi here. Then from the sitting room, we have like a dining area. This is the dining area. You see, guys? Yeah, you can put your dining here. Okay, you can put the dining there. So this is what we have, the view of the sitting, then the dining. Then from the dining, we have an open kitchen, which is big. Guys, see how big the kitchen is. Me as a lady, I love big kitchens. So it's also it's the kitchen, how big the kitchen is. We have cabinets here, enough storage. Okay, yeah, storage. More storage. And here, more storage. Okay, guys. So over here, we have the beautiful sink, a window there in the kitchen, then more storage over there, and more storage over there. So This is the kitchen. Then the kitchen has the behind door. This is our door. Yeah, and that's the neighborhood. We have a house there. Then over this side, this is what we have, guys. Tewali noisy yadde. Mwabagala ka privacy ako awantu ewatawogana. This is the place for you, okay? It's located in Nakwero. So from the living room and the kitchen, it takes us to the bedroom. Okay, so let us go to the bedrooms, okay? So from here, we have this small corridor which takes us to the bedroom. It's a 2-bedroom apartment. Over here, we have the first bedroom. Then over here, we have the master bedroom, okay? Okay. Then let us first see the kids' bedroom. This is the kids' bedroom, yeah? It can fit in, let me say, 2 beds. That's 5 by 6, 5 by 6, 2 beds. But mostly for the kids' bedroom, it's always a decors. So 2 decors can fit in here, and again, the kids will have enough space. So this is the kids' bedroom. From the kids' bedroom, we have the master bedroom. Okay, guys, so this is the master bedroom. Yeah, this is what we have over here, a window. Then that window gives you the view of what we have over there. Okay, so from here we have this small corridor. Then over here we have the wardrobes in the master bedroom. Okay, we have the wardrobes in the master bedroom. Even up there, we have more storage. Then over here, we have the master bathroom, which is big. It's so spacious, guys. Okay, let me take you inside and we see what we have. Okay. So here I'm standing at the entrance of the master bathroom. We have a sink here, soap holder, a toothbrush holder here. We have a mirror over there. This one, how is it called? Where you can hang your towels. Okay, we have a window which gives enough light to the bathroom. Shower over there. We have a toilet over here. And this tap, yeah, so we have water heater over there. Yeah, so guys, this bathroom is big and enough. Zengo mukazi njisinye. So guys, that's what we have in this first house, okay? So what we are going to do, I'm going to take you to the other house. Okay, no, guys, sorry. I had not shown you the general bathroom. Between these 2 bathrooms, between these 2 bedrooms, the kids' bedroom and the master bedroom, we have the general bathroom here. Yeah, this is the general bathroom. We have a toilet over there, then a sink over there, and a mirror over there. Then over this side, it's where they shower from, okay? So that's what we have over there. Then this side, it takes us back to the living room, dining, and kitchen. So guys, this house goes for 700,000 in Twaro Samvu. But I'm going to take you to the second house. The second house is slightly cheaper compared to this house, and it's slightly smaller compared to this house. But me, if I would choose Nandironzeno because I love how cute it is. Living room, dining room, then the kitchen. Then this side, it takes us to the bedrooms, okay? So let us go and we see the other second apartment. Okay, so let's go. So guys, over this side, this is our second house, which is for rent. Okay, no, between this house has been taken. Yes, sorry, the landlord has told me this house has been paid off today, so we only have the other one, but the other one is bigger compared to this one. But again, let me just show you. You see the difference of what we saw in the first room, so I want to show you what we have in this room as well. Okay, so this is the entrance, although this one has been taken, and this one goes for 650, but it has been paid off. But still, me, I prefer the first one. So this is the living room. It's almost the same as the other one. The only difference is this one does not have a dining area. It only have this one, so that means the person who is taking this room, this will work as their dining. But for the other one, which we have seen first, it has a dining area. So this is the living stroke dining area. Then over here, this is the kitchen. The kitchen is the same as the first one I've shown you. More storage, the cabinets. Then here, the cabinets. Yeah. Then outside, yeah, that's the room which we have seen. That one over there, it's what we have seen. Then over this side, it takes us to the toilets over there, the outside toilets, okay? So then this side, it takes us to the to the bedrooms, okay? So when you enter like this, the first thing you will see, it's the general bathroom. Yeah, this is what we have. Even the general bathroom, the first house is bigger compared to this one, but this one has been paid off. We have a mirror, then a sink, soap holder, then a shower over there in this tap, okay? Then over this side, we have the kids' bedroom, which is also small compared to the first room. But as I've told you, this house has been paid off. So in Hoteli Katari, just I'm showing you to see how it looks like. Okay. So over here we have the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom, the wardrobes over there. Yeah. You see, guys, this is what we have here. And this is the bathroom or toilet of the master bedroom, okay? Shower, support, the tissue holder, something, the toilet, the sink, then the mirror, okay, guys? So that's what we have in this second bedroom, in this second house. And this second house was going for 650. Okay, guys? So I'm going to put the number of the landlord here. Tekuliko broker, togenda sasula za broker. I'm just helping him to post these houses. So teweeraliikirira nti ogenda sasula broker. You just talk to the landlord direct, akubuulire payment agreement. Yeah, so that you could come and rent. Kunyumba zino, trust me, the environment is nice, it's cute and quiet, okay? So guys, I'm going to end my video from here. Thank you for touring these beautiful apartments with me. Yeah, you can leave a comment down below, like the video, and don't forget to share to any of your friends in case we have someone, or in case you have any of your friend interested in renting these cute apartments. Okay, I'm going to say goodbye for now and see you in my next video. I love you.